Hi YouTube, I'm Josh Hannon. This is my bike check. You know it's not my bike. Starting off, we got the well, what this bike is, it's a Dan's Comp bike. Yeah. You ordered it off Dan's Comp. Yeah, by the way, it's not my bike. I was lying. It's a Dan's Comp bike. It's got the white pedals. They say they have an O on it, so they must be pretty crappy. You got the. I don't care. God. Get off my back. You got the monster cap on the valve stem, you know. That makes it go like 10 times faster. Like when you're doing those 360s, it just whips it around that way. It distributes it way better. It gets me through the day, you know what I mean. When I'm doing those nice triple back flips, it really helps, you know. Where can I start? The stem, it's a black one. It's black, yeah. I don't know. It's white. It's a white bike. I'm gonna watch me ride it. Watch me ride it. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Everybody watch this. This is my bike going hard. Oh shit. Alright, that was like you missed you didn't see the bar spin in there. Alright, watch this. You know? Doing that nice stuff. You know, bar spin, look at that. Got the tail with the way. So thanks for watching my bike check video. Hope you'll be making one on my actual bike. So stay fresh. Have a good one, guys.